Hello guys, welcome to Tech Food and Explore. So today we are discussing about Chocolatey. Chocolatey is a package manager for Windows. By using this Chocolatey we can install automate the installation of software in Windows. So in order to install Chocolatey, just go to the website chocolatey.org. The link is given in the description. Check it out, guys. So to install, go to the install now. So this is the installation step. So you can see the Chocolatey install. Uh, First, there are two steps. First is when you are using administrative shell, then you can use also PowerShell also. So we are checking with PowerShell. So just open PowerShell. Just ensure this command and which is not restricted. If it is restricted, we can enter another command. So just go to PowerShell. Open PowerShell in administrative mode. So it's open. Just enter this command: get execution policy. For my system it will be all assigned. In your system it will be restricted something. If it is restricted, then just go to the command guest. Just got this set execution policy command. Second command, and that set execution policy. Okay, after that you will need to run this command. Just copy